Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Rockefeller Christmas Tree. The Rockefeller Christmas Tree is truly breathtaking. It features 3,000 LED copper lights that give off the warmest and the cosiest hue. The tree itself comes in 4 separate parts. We have the black metal stand, the bottom section of the tree, the middle section of the tree and the top. The branches are already attached to the Rockefeller Christmas tree and are also numbered, which makes the assembly very easy. The 3 tree sections slot in together, also connecting the light connectors. Always make sure to follow instructions provided. So as mentioned, we have 3,000 LED copper lights built into the Rockefeller Christmas tree, and these have 6 settings which can be controlled by the little button switch. Create the most magical Christmas display in your home this year with the Rockefeller Christmas tree by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.